With custom audiences, you can get your ad, page, or special offers to people you already know who are on Facebook. Put a list of at least 100 customer phone numbers or email addresses into a CSV or text file, with each entry on a separate line. When your list is ready, go to Ads Manager and select Audiences. Click the Create Audience button and you'll be prompted to upload your list. You can upload your list by selecting Data File Custom Audience. And there are other options for loading your customer contact info. You can use email addresses from your MailChimp account, or add customer info with data from your mobile app or website. When you're ready to upload your list, give your audience a name and description to help you keep track of it for future ads. Select the type of info you're uploading and click Create Audience. It usually takes about 30 minutes before your custom audience is ready. When it is ready, the next time you create an ad, you'll see an audience field. Just click the field and the name of your custom audience will appear. When you run your ad, it'll be targeted towards your custom audience. And customers' contact info is always used in a secure, anonymous, privacy-safe way. To learn more about custom audiences and how they can help you, visit the Help Center at facebook.com/help/audiences.